Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel for baking and for recipe tutorials. In the last recipe tutorial I showed you how to make the raspberry and white chocolate cake. Now in this recipe tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make the oat and cranberry bars. First of all, mix 100 grams of porridge oats. This is the organic porridge oats. The 100 grams of Muscovado sugar. $100 of dried cranberries. And also 100 grams of self-raising flour. With the mixing through, mix it all together. First, once you mix it together, make a well in the middle. Then add the beaten egg. One tablespoon of golden syrup. $100 grams of melted butter. And finally, a teaspoon of vanilla extract or some Moroccan almond extract. So stir this until it becomes evenly damp. Next thing, to dip into the square tin. This is a bars that have been made from the ingredients. Now this will go in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. I'll preheated the oven to 180 degrees C. So pause the video now, and I'm going to be looking at what it's done after it's baked in the oven. This is a Oat and Cranberry Bars that I already made and cut up into 12 equal bars, and that's what it looked like when it came out of the oven. This is a recipe tutorial that I showed you today about these Oat and Cranberry Bars. So if you like this tutorial, don't forget to give the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you could. So see you in the next video. Bye.